St. John's Information Foxtrot. Weather at 1400 Zulu. Wind 290. At 16. Gusting 21. Visibility 15 miles. 700 feet. Ceiling 9,500 broken. Temperature 21. Dew point 17. Altimeter 2976. Approach RNAV Zulu or ILS runway 28. Inform Gander Center on frequency 133.15 of requested approach on initial contact. Landing and departing runway 28. Inform ATC that you have information Foxtrot.
Good morning. We're heading out of St. John's this morning.
Had a great time in St. John's, but if we don't leave this morning in a little weather window,
We will be here for many days.
So we're gonna head to Gander because Gander looks like it's only one day of foul weather tomorrow. So we're gonna spend, even though we've been to Gander, we're gonna spend a night in Gander. We're gonna see more of the town, I guess. See what happens. It's now noon and we've sort of been moving very slowly all morning as the airport went from low IFR to IFR.
It's looking okay.
To a window of VFR. So we better get in the plane and get going. Had a great time in St. John's though.
Great food.
Yeah, a really good time. Anyway, let's get on to Gander.
St. John's ground, this is Foxtrot Mike Victor Uniform.
Charlie Foxtrot Mike Victor Uniform, St. John's ground.
St. John's ground, Foxtrot Mike Victor Uniform, Cessna 172, currently on the PAL aviation ramp on a VFR flight plan to Gander, requesting taxi to be active, please.
Mike Victor Uniform, how long ago did you follow that flight plan?
5 minutes.
Okay, I haven't received it yet there. Just stand by a moment, please.
Standing by.
Will we be putting the life jackets on at some point?
That probably wouldn't hurt.
Thanks for this.
And Charlie Foxtrot Mike Victor Uniform ground, squawk 1244.
1244, Mike Victor Uniform.
Mike Victor Uniform ground, runway 28 for departure. Winds 28014 knots, altimeter 2975. Taxi on the ramp at your discretion and hold short of taxiway Bravo. And contact tower 120.6, holding short.
Taxi at our discretion, holding short of Bravo contact tower, Mike Victor Uniform.
So where are you based normally?
Oshawa, just east of Toronto.
Oh, nice. And you flew all the way here?
Had to come down for some cod.
Nice. Did you enjoy it?
Very good, thank you very much. Had a great time.
Welcome. Give me a call on tower there, 120.6 when you're home short.
St. John's Tower, Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform, holding short 28 on Bravo for takeoff.
Charlie Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform, tower, taxi Bravo, Mike at Mike Liner, runway 28, backtrack is approved. Mike Victor Uniform, tower, right turnout. You can advise leaving the zone. Winds 28014 knots, cleared takeoff, runway 28.
Cleared 28, right turnout, inform clearing the zone, Mike Victor Uniform. Here we go, Jules. St. John's Tower, Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform. Can I get a left turnout to follow the bay?
Mike Victor Uniform, tower, no problem. Left turnout, advise leaving the zone.
Left turnout, advise leaving the zone, Mike Victor Uniform. Thank you. St. John's Tower, Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform, clearing the zone along the bay shoreline, 2200 and climbing.
Mike Victor Uniform, tower, roger, altimeter 2975, surveillance services terminated. Clear the route. Have a great flight to Gander and back home.
Thank you very much. Have a great day. Gander Center, this is Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform.
Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform, Gander, good day. You're identified. Stand by.
Standing by.
And Mike Victor Uniform, Gander, go ahead.
Mike Victor Uniform, Cessna 172 on a VFR flight plan, St. John's to Gander, requesting radar surveillance.
Roger, check you're going up to Gander there. You're identified. Flight following is approved. How high are you going to climb?
I'm hoping to get to 5,500 if I can, but if the clouds prevent that, I'll stay at 35.
Sounds good. And the Gander meter is only a few clouds at 21,000, so it's a pretty clear day up that way.
Fantastic. Thank you.
We'll go where the weather takes us. I interest you in an in-flight snack?
Yes, please.
Woo!
Okay, so the people at the FBO here were very nice, really nice.
And in the tower.
And in the tower, yeah, great. You know, so far but the FBOs are all set up for at these larger airports, like St. John's International, Gander International. They're all set up for jet traffic, right? And so, you know, we were parked in amongst a bunch of jets, citation jets and business jets, and so they didn't charge for parking. They're the only game in town for avgas. They're one of only like 3 places on the island of Newfoundland that you can get avgas. No fee for parking, but there was a $150 handling fee. So I made sure I got some cookies on the way out the door. I mean, everybody's got to make money. And they're set up for larger aircraft. And our little plane, although it seemed like it would be no bother for us just to come in and park it, is probably a bother.
Just something to be aware of.
Yeah. You know, if you're going to St. John's, just, you know, make sure that you ask about the handling fee.
And Gander, Provincial 2252, level 230.
Provincial 2252, roger. This is Golf. Advise when you're ready to lower.
Actually, we can take lower now. We have Golf planning runway 28.
Provincial 2252, roger. Descend 6,000, altimeter 29er75.
6,000, 2975, Provincial 2252.
Roger. And the active is 28. Are you proceeding to land at yet? I'm not showing it here.
No, still doing the, we can go direct to on-dam though.
Roger. Provincial 2252, clear direct on-dam. Will it be the RNAV Zulu or the island?
On-dam for the RNAV Zulu, Provincial 2252.
Roger. No delay expect.
2252.
Charlie Fox, Mike Victor Uniform. Gander?
Go ahead for Mike Victor Uniform.
Mike Victor Uniform. Gander altimeter 29er67. ATIS is Lima. Next frequency with the center for flight following. You can call them now and if not, you'll again in 5 minutes. 1321.
1321, I'll try them now, and if not, again in 5 minutes. Thank you very much. Gander Center, this is Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform.
Mike Victor Uniform, Gander Center, good day. You can check flight following. Gander altimeter is 29er67, and the ATIS there is Lima.
29er67, ATIS is Lima, and we'll check the ATIS now. Thank you.
Gander information Lima. Weather at 1500 Zulu. Wind 280. At 13. Gusting 22. Visibility 20 miles. 4,500 feet. 21,000 feet. Temperature 26. Dew point 14. Altimeter 29er67. Approach RNAV or visual runway.
So there's a little airport there, Clarenville.
Uh-huh.
I just find it unbelievably hard to believe.
They've got avgas?
They don't.
Maybe everyone flies jets? Maybe they just don't tell you?
Well, and so...
Everyone just has their barrels delivered?
Yeah, and so the guy who drove me around in the pickup truck, the ground handler there, he said, you know, the avgas is out there, but the flight schools and the flying clubs, they don't, it's theirs. They're not selling it to someone else.
I'm sure if you were in a pinch though and you landed there, someone would sell you half their barrel.
Yeah, they're just not advertising it.
No.
Mike Victor Uniform, you can contact Gander Tower now on 118.1. We'll see you later.
118.1, thank you very much. Mike Victor Uniform. Gander Tower, this is Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform.
Okay, Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform, Gander Tower, good day.
Good day, Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform, Cessna 172, inbound for landing currently 15 miles to the southeast.
Sorry, Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform, Gander Tower, good day. Runway 31, wind is 290 at 15, gusting 21, altimeter is 2966, ATIS is Lima. Cleared straight in, runway 31, report 10 miles final.
Straight in, runway 31, report 10 miles final, Mike Victor Uniform.
Mike Victor Uniform Tower, wind is 28011, gusting 23, cleared land, runway 31.
Cleared 31, Mike Victor Uniform.
Mike Victor Uniform Tower, plan exit, taxiway Delta.
Planning for Delta, Mike Victor Uniform.
Correction, Charlie Alpha Echo, hold short, runway 31, contact me on Tower 118.1, hold short.
Charlie Alpha Echo, hold short 31, contact you on Tower 118.0 service.
Romeo Hotel Lima Tower, what will be your maximum altitude on trip today?
It'll be 10,500 for Romeo Hotel now.
Okay, so we made it to Gander. Actually, really nice flight. Nice and calm. We got up to like 6,500 feet, and it was nice and calm.
There's only a few clouds we had to fly under around.
And now that we're here, the clouds are rolling in for this afternoon. I noticed on the XM weather a few thunderstorms popping up, sort of northwest of here, which was expected. So we're down, we're safe. And when we got here, one of the people flying an air ambulance comes over. I know him from Edenvale. He keeps his planes at Edenvale, his personal planes. So we had a nice chat with him, and I gotta say, St. John's.
It was lovely. For so many reasons. We got to meet a handful of people who watch the cooking channel.
The cooking channel, which is great.
Glen and friends, yeah. So it was nice to meet all of you.
Nice to visit with people. It's fantastic to have people come up and say hello. I really like that. I really like talking to people and finding out, why they watch the channel and if they're cooking and that sort of thing. On the same token, we were having breakfast the other day, and the table beside us was one of the actors from Son of a Critch. And I didn't want to say anything to him because he's having his breakfast.
He
was enjoying it. He's reading a book, and I didn't want to bother him. And then I have to reconcile that with, it doesn't matter what you see me doing, come and talk to me. I really like to talk to people. Anyway, I'm starving.
I hear Rosie's is good.
Rosie's is the place, apparently. We're all suited up, Jules?
Yes. I'm definitely suited.
Gonna see some whales.
Still no whales.
No whales.
But there was a big smile on his face
I was in a boat.
time.
I was in a boat. I was having a good time. Out on the ocean in a boat.
The ladies behind us certainly were having a good time.
Lots of puffins.
Yes, and bald eagles.
More bald eagles than you could shake a stick at.
Which is great.
Had a really good time, but we are for how many days we've been looking for whales. No whales. Oh well. We got to see an amazing part of the coastline too. Really love that. In this little town of Trinity. It's a great little town. Anyway, so this is our last day in Newfoundland. And we're back to Quebec tomorrow.